Hello, in front of me I've got Jaecoo 5. In this video I'll show you how to check Windows manufacture date. To check Windows manufacture date, take a look at any window. All windows have this stamped part. Right here you can find date of manufacture in the square, and next there's a dot, which means that this window was manufactured in 2025 in January. It is crucial to know, and especially to check when the windows were manufactured when you buy used car, because if the window is younger than the car, it may indicate that the car was in crash. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.